Welcome to this healing meditation session. Meditation comes in many forms and colors, but today, we will journey deep within to explore how you can heal your own body. Whether you are dealing with physical discomfort, emotional wounds, or stress, this practice will help you connect with your inner healing power. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you will not be disturbed. You may sit or lie down in a position that feels good for your body. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then exhale slowly. Take another breath in through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Keep breathing like this through the whole session, if you can manage it. Grounding and breath awareness. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale softly through your mouth. With each breath, allow yourself to relax further. Imagine your body becoming lighter, releasing any tension or tightness. Now bring your awareness to the earth beneath you. Feel the support of the ground, knowing that you are safe and held. Visualize roots extending from your body deep into the earth, grounding you in stability and strength. Now we will do a body scan and releasing tension. Slowly shift your focus to your body, starting from the top of your head. Scan downwards, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you breathe in, imagine a warm, golden light entering that area. As you exhale, visualize the tension dissolving and leaving your body as a soft mist. Move your awareness down through your forehead, eyes, jaw, and neck, releasing any stress you may be holding. Continue down to your shoulders, arms, hands, chest, and stomach. Let go of any tightness. Feel your hips, legs, and feet relaxing completely. Your entire body is now filled with a gentle sense of peace and ease. Now imagine a radiant ball of healing light above your head. This light holds the energy of pure love and restoration. It begins to slowly descend, entering the crown of your head, filling you with warmth and serenity. As the light moves down, it reaches any areas of discomfort or pain. Visualize the light gently wrapping around these areas, dissolving pain and replacing it with comfort and vitality. If you are struggling with emotional pain, see the light embracing your heart, filling it with compassion and healing energy. Allow this light to expand, filling every cell in your body with rejuvenation. Feel its presence healing, soothing, and restoring balance. As you bask in this healing energy, silently or out loud, repeat the following affirmations. My body is strong, resilient, and capable of healing. I release all pain and welcome comfort and ease. Every breath I take fills me with renewal and vitality. I am surrounded by love, light, and perfect health. Healing energy flows freely through me, restoring balance. Feel these words resonate deeply within you, reinforcing your body's natural ability to heal. Let us now heal your pain. I have been using this exercise for more than 30 years, and it works every time. You can repeat this exercise whenever you experience pain that you want to get rid of. Let's now focus on a specific place where you feel pain. First, I want you to imagine yourself lying on a white sandy beach. You see the sun shining beautifully in the sky, warming your entire body. What else can you see around you? Are you alone here? Can you hear the waves gently washing ashore again and again? Are there any other sounds you can hear? I want you to take some time now to truly visualize everything around you. Now that you have truly found a sense of calm, look up at the sky. There, you see some small dots in the distance. These dots are coming closer and becoming more visible. Now you see that it is a seagull flying down toward you, getting closer and closer until it lands just a few meters in front of you. Now focus on the place where you feel pain. Lift both of your hands and place them on the area where you feel the discomfort. Hold your hands against this spot and visualize your pain as a ball of fire. Now slowly pull this ball of fire out of your body, holding it firmly between your closed hands. You might have to drag it out step by step. When you got this fireball into your hands, place it onto the seagull's back. The seagull starts running down the beach and takes off into the sky. You now see your pain flying away, leaving your body. The further the seagull flies, the less pain you feel. Visualize your pain fly away. You feel lighter, more fresh, and less pain. You may need to repeat this exercise multiple times before you master it, so feel free to rewind and do it again. The more vividly you can visualize, the more effective this will be for you. Take a moment to express gratitude to your body for all it does for you. Thank yourself for showing up to this healing practice. When you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, feeling grounded and refreshed. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, smile softly. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this healing energy with you into your day. Know that this healing is always within you, and you can return to this meditation anytime you need comfort and renewal. May you move forward with a sense of peace, strength, and healing. Trust in your body's ability to restore itself, and carry this light with you always.